In recent years, people all over the world have shown a greater interest in making dietary changes that are better for their health and incorporating a wider variety of superfoods into their regular routines. Extra virgin olive oil is just one example of a superfood that has recently received a lot of attention. Not only is it indispensable in cooking, but it is also lauded for the possible positive effects it has on one's health. In this video, we are going to take a look at what happens to your body when you ingest 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil on a daily basis. It is crucial to gain an understanding of what it is about extra virgin olive oil that makes it stand out from other types of olive oil before digging into the effects of drinking olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil comes from the first cold pressing of olives, in contrast to the majority of other culinary oils which come from various processes. Because this method keeps the natural chemicals and nutrients intact, it is a veritable treasure trove of good for your body. The search for a genuine bottle of olive oil. Finding genuine extra virgin olive oil in a sea of imposters can be one of the first challenges on the path to reaping the full benefits of olive oil. The majority of olive oils that are sold are watered down with other types of oils such as canola or soy. These imitations do not have the peppery, grass-like flavor that is characteristic of genuine extra virgin olive oil, and they may not have the same health advantages either. The possible positive effects on one's health. Now, let us have a look at the incredible benefits to your health that are related to taking 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil on a daily basis. Heart and blood vessel health. Extra virgin olive oil in its unrefined form is celebrated for its rich content of phytonutrients that offer remarkable heart protective qualities. These phytonutrients are natural compounds derived from plants that have been found to have various health benefits, especially for the cardiovascular system. One of the key heart protective qualities of extra virgin olive oil lies in its ability to regulate blood pressure. The phytonutrients present in olive oil can help reduce high blood pressure, a condition known as hypertension. High blood pressure is a significant risk factor for heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular complications. A specific type of hypertension mentioned is essential hypertension, which is also known as primary hypertension. This condition is characterized by consistently elevated blood pressure levels without a clear underlying cause. In fact, essential hypertension accounts for the majority of all cases of high blood pressure. Properties that fight cancer. Olive oil has been shown to inhibit the growth of cancerous cells. It can assist in the protection of essential regions of the brain, such as the hypothalamus and the substantia nigra, both of which are involved in the regulation of dopamine. Damage to the substantia nigra is connected with illnesses such as Parkinson's disease, making it an area of particular significance. Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural process that occurs in the body as a response to injury or infection. However, when inflammation becomes chronic, it can lead to the development of various chronic disorders and diseases. These conditions may include cardiovascular disease, diabetes, autoimmune disorders, and arthritis. Extra virgin olive oil stands out as a valuable dietary component because it contains a range of natural compounds with anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds can help modulate the body's inflammatory response and contribute to the alleviation of chronic inflammation. Assistance for the pancreas. The pancreas plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels by producing insulin. Olive oil contains compounds that can assist the pancreas in this function, particularly benefiting the beta cells within the pancreas. Here's a closer look at how olive oil can provide assistance for the pancreas and potentially aid in managing blood sugar levels. Beta cell support. Beta cells are specialized cells within the pancreas responsible for producing insulin. Insulin is essential for regulating glucose in the bloodstream. Olive oil contains certain bioactive compounds, such as polyphenols and antioxidants that may have a protective and supportive effect on these beta cells. This can help maintain their health and function, ensuring a consistent production of insulin. Blood sugar management. By promoting the health of beta cells and aiding in insulin production, olive oil may contribute to better management of blood sugar levels. Improved insulin secretion and sensitivity can lead to more efficient utilization of glucose in the body, reducing the risk of hyperglycemia and its associated complications. Harmonization of cholesterol. Controlling one's cholesterol levels is critical to maintaining healthy cardiac function. Olive oil can assist in maintaining a healthy cholesterol level by acting specifically on LDL cholesterol. This type of cholesterol is particularly problematic for one's heart health because of its small, dense particle size. Olive oil, with its monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, can be a helpful tool in achieving this goal by reducing LDL cholesterol, altering LDL particle size, combating inflammation, and improving overall cardiovascular health when consumed as part of a healthy diet. Prostate health. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin olive oil, may provide some men suffering from an enlarged prostate with some relief. Because it includes phytonutrients, it may be beneficial for the treatment of benign prostatic hypertrophy, which is a disorder that can impair urinary function. Vitamin E. In addition to its many other advantages, extra virgin olive oil is an excellent source of vitamin E. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that, when consumed in enough amounts, can assist in the defense of cells against the oxidative stress generated by free radicals. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.